He said something along the lines that she's doing.
Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike.
And this is Diana. This season is take 2 of an experience that we've already done, but we're doing it differently this time. Traveling from the north of England all the way to central Portugal. Armed with a new arsenal. We've got knowledge and we've got a bit of experience, and this time maybe we're even a bit wiser than we were the first time. So I hope you enjoy the ride. You can check out how we cope traveling, looking at properties, and who knows, maybe we might even find the right property. So stay tuned. Laters. Hi there, thank you for joining me on another episode. This is episode 23 of season 2. We are looking at Figueira da Foz. This time we are on the hunt for some food. So there were a few places. Kira was a very, I'm sorry if I'm not saying it correctly, was a very busy restaurant. There was queues going all the way down the whole strip, and people were queuing up. From what I could see, they had signs of some sort of traditional meal that was extremely popular. People were very happy waiting in line for this food. We were not. I mean, one day we'll probably come back and try it and tell you how good it is and how we were unhappy that we missed out. But on this occasion, we did not. We went to another beautiful restaurant. It was so good, we actually went there twice. We went back. We had a light lunch there, and it was delicious. The sandwiches were so good. I mean, I think it was a Padaria and Pasteleria. I took a picture of the place. I can't pronounce the name, so I'll apologize for that. But the food was delicious. The staff were friendly. You know, they were a bit nervous because obviously with English speakers they were a little bit shy, but you know, they were really helpful, really nice, and the food was excellent. It was so good. Afterwards we came back for some dinner and desserts too, so it was that good. And if it isn't good, people don't return, and we did. So yeah, it was amazing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon. Laters. Bye. Thanks for watching this video. We really do appreciate your support. Please like, share, and comment on these videos. Let us know what you're enjoying so we can do more of that. And I hope to see you soon. Laters.